I am hearing that you're currently, that's the truth immediately, you're currently learning how to receive. God is putting you into different situations right now because you do not know pretty well how to receive. You've been battling your entire life. Life was struggles after struggles, and something so easy and simple that is called natural birthright, abundance. I'm hearing the essence of this universe is abundance. Look at nature, how abundant is nature, and it's such a auto-sufficient world of abundance if you don't touch to it. But it's difficult for you because, again, you have been programmed to fight. I'm talking to someone that has grown up into a very toxic environment with a lot of fight. So much fight. You used to see your parent fighting always. Drug addict parent for some of you, and it was always fight after fight. Your nervous system is extremely... I'm tapping into you right now and I love you so much. Release. I'm receiving code for you to release. And that's why you're struggling so much to receive. Just living for who you are truly. It's very difficult for you. You always want to pay no matter what. If you are a man or a woman, you always want to pay. You always want to... It's very difficult for you to just relax and receive. And this is the only thing I'm hearing that is separating you right now from your blessing, because there is a door. I'm hearing a massive opportunity that is trying to come inside you and to you. Maybe also I'm hearing within you, you're about to reach another level where everything is going to flow naturally, abundantly, effortlessly. And this is as above, so below, as within, so without, law of correspondence. You're going to be presented an opportunity, a big blessing, but it's like, it's just difficult for you to naturally letting go. You want to control everything. Close your eyes, please. I love you. I want to say I love you. I love you. I love you. God loves you. Goddess loves you. Mother Earth love you. Your angels love you. Your ancestors love you. You are so loved. You have so many people around you. They're so proud of you. It's crazy because it's beautiful. It's like a love story. It's like a fairy tale story. You know, it's like the universe wants to bless you, but you hold on. I'm hearing tied to something, and it's time to let it go. Connecting you with Mary Magdalene and the Golden Rose Code. Breathe. Your heart space is on fire. amazing. Asking the great crystal of Atlantis to wash away, wash away, wash away. Allowing you to receive, allowing you to detach. Strong Lemurian energy. I got the 369 divine flow. You see? These codes I'm hearing are going to help you gain the divine flow, truth. Again, you have to take this risk now to just detach. 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 You're a champion. You know that. There is this massive shift that wants to happen. You have to understand your path. I know where you come from. Believe me. You see, there is something with the mother. Oh, my eyes are very itchy. There is something maybe you do not want to see. But you're ready, my friend. Wow. There is something that is here, wants to come. You're ready. I cannot make this up. Connecting to the great crystal of Atlantis right now is going to help you massively. Washing away. Yeah, I got a lot of emotions and something is coming out. Maybe you need to cry. You can do some meditation with the great crystal of Atlantis from Doreen Virtue. It's calling something around like Atlantis something, and you can do a meditation that is within. Mighty touch. You see, everything you touch become gold. You have a massive power, billion energy. I'm telling you, you're ready to receive massive contract opportunity. It's big. It's big. It's massive. So now, just detach. Stop trying to control. You might be a rainbow child. You're magnetic. So it's effortless for you. I'm seeing Queen and King, but again, it's as if there is something you do not want to see. I'm hearing overdue. You need a serious clearing. So you see maybe also water. Again, imagine to water, salty water. I think what you're going to receive, oh my God, it's so itchy. Everything you're going to receive is beyond your expectation. But I'm hearing you work so hard for that. You work so hard. I just want one card, God. As the conclusion of this magnificent, there is so much energy. Maybe you called your power back or you're about to do it. Oh, God. Someone is really ready. Okay? You're ready. You're embodying the strength now. You're a champion. I cannot make this up. The wheel is turning in your favor. It's time. It's time. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. You are so loved. You are so loved. You are a celebrity. There is a soul connection also. Energy around you. I love you so much. Until next time, namaste.